Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials: battery above 30% and a stable Wi-Fi connection so the update won't fail. This prevents call interruptions. Once done, backup contacts and call logs to your cloud account or export a local file. This protects numbers if the app resets. Now open Settings, go to Apps, find your phone app, and tap Update or Manage. Do this immediately so the device can download the update files and prepare to apply changes without extra delay. You now download and apply the update. Make sure the progress bar reaches 100% before tapping Install so files aren't corrupted. During installation, grant any permissions the phone app requests. This enables caller ID, improved codecs, or new call routing features. If prompted, follow on-screen migration steps to move settings. Once installation finishes, restart the phone to let the system integrate updated drivers and services. This ensures calls use the new routines and prevents transient glitches. You complete by testing. Make an outgoing call, receive an incoming call, and check voicemail and speaker/mic quality so you can verify changes. If calls drop or audio is bad, clear the phone app cache or uninstall updates and reinstall to revert corrupted components. Make sure to reboot after each attempt. If problems persist, collect logs from Settings right arrow about or the app's diagnostics and contact your carrier or the app support team. That lets technicians pinpoint network versus app issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.